These customer engineers really have a way with machines.
That's not very funny.
What's a hollowed-out magnetic tape selector typewriter called?
An MTMT?
R-M-N-S-L-S-M-A-G
The preceding song was written by a magnetic tape selector composer.
I wish you wouldn't use that word.
Can you identify this?
Debug.
That's what the boys eat.
What do you call a total stranger that calls you up on December 30th and orders 14 composers?
A 500-pound bluebird.
Now, girls, because of the added weight, I don't recommend that you wear this new cordless headset for extended periods of time. Take it off and rest after 4 hours, or whenever you begin tripping over your earlobes.
Did you get the plan?
Yeah, right here.
Stupid idiot. This is the sales plan for next year. You know that's worthless.
My transcriber isn't functioning correctly.
Which I have in turn interlineated with revisions I believe you will find.
And now, here's the dog to whom the news wouldn't be the news without the news. Here's Ralphie.
Okay, news of the present. 20th Century Fox announced yesterday the remake of an old classic. Going before the cameras in July will be Tuesday Weld and Zero Mostel starring in the CinemaScope version of Breaking the Production Barrier. This film, as you know, is a haunting story of a frustrated secretary who forsakes retyping forever and finds happiness with an MTST.
I didn't know that.
Take me to your clean leader.